William Woolerton. Call him Wooly. Making Wooly Boy some hack boxes. Take it out, an old election sign. I'm gonna make the other one now. This is what this one looks like, 2D, and then I'm just gonna overlap the back straps and tape it. And as it gets larger and I extend it, I'll just pop the tape and reapply, resize. This is the template I came up with. That needed to be 1.5 inches longer. Turned out I tried to eye that at first. Yeah, didn't do a very good job. So ignore that inner line. Sheep. And I just cut this all with a knife. And like, I don't know, there's a couple things that I did to the final thing, like snipping, resizing, like areas like this. I think I snipped that with my shears, just because it was easier than trying to press it with my knife, my dull-ass knife. But when you're gripping this whole big board and you're able to press at an angle down into it, and you're able to cut it slowly. And then for all directions going this way, it's even easier because they have the little channel to guide your knife, and it's easier to cut through. After I cut it out, I'm going in and creasing the back of my knife. Looks like I might have gone. I'll do this one over too far. Something like that. One of those two. It'll bend on both of them now. And then maybe that bend. And here the same. I just made a line. Willie's wearing his boxes and carrying some of my stuff. Well, yeah, watch the goats. He's got my boots when the sun goes down, milk, leashes, pen pad, paper. Yeah,